Wagwan, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, big up respect and manners to each and everyone. My people, me is the kind of person, my life to talk about different situations, right throughout the world. I saw mistakes, so I say, now me get some information that make me wonder if anywhere have any farm a safe zone than at all. Yes, I say, me get some information that make me wonder if I can trust anybody at all, whether the person be a law enforcer or not. You understand? Because I got information from within Uganda that a man who is said to be a police constable shot and killed a man who some people call money lender. So based on information that I got, it is said that the incident happened at a business establishment and that the incident happened within the month of May the year 2023. It is said that the man go to the business place that some people call TFS Financial Services within the country on a certain day before the incident. I don't remember the exact day and everything I can remember exactly. You understand me? And some of you might be wondering why a person like that would do something like that during subscribers. Well, I got different information about the whole situation, and let me see if I can give you these information that I got to the best of my ability. You see? Now, allegedly, it is said that the man, who is said to be a police constable, have history of mental illness. See? And according to a news article that I read about the situation during subscribers, I got the understanding that news article said that the Uganda police force has come under renewed focus after revelations that it knew about the mental health issues of a constable who fatally shot a moneylender. Now, according to more information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly again, it is said that the police constable got to the business place on a certain day before the incident happened during subscribers, where in talk to somebody that work at the business place that is known as TFS Financial Services. It is said that he got there to verify something about loan viewers and subscribers, and it is said that he was told that he owed over 2 million worth of what is called shillings within that country viewing subscribers. And it is said that the police officer has been reportedly servicing 2 loans since 2020. The first loan was coded, that means deducted directly from his salary, while the second one was not. You see me I say? Allegedly, it is said that there was some form of exchange of words between the police officer and the person who had been shot and killed. The police constable and the person who had been shot and killed, if you're a subscriber. See? I also got information that there's a video footage circulating certain places on social media that shows some things that happened during the incident. And I take a look at that video, viewers and subscribers, and got the understanding that there was a certain amount of persons at the place or the business place when the incident happened. I also got information that the person who is said to be the police constable had been arrested sometime after the incident, meaning that the person had been taken into custody, or as well, some people might say police custody. See? Anyway, so allegedly it is believed that the person was trying to flee the country to go to a neighboring place or a neighboring country. See? But at some point, law enforcers work together to apprehend the person. See? Now, in another news article that I read, see? Another news article said that in a statement, the force revealed that its detectives recovered a certain number of cartridges at the crime scene. Now, on a real viewers and subscribers, when I look at the video, the person we seen in the video opened the fire from a gun, which me call a big gun, more than 1 times. My people, you know what really and truly me find somewhat horrible about the whole situation is that the video footage that I saw shows when a man opened the fire from a gun, more than 1 times, and a certain amount of persons run from out of that part of that building, my people. So I say because the video footage shows inside of a building where the incident happened. So I say no, the man who you can see in that video holding a gun, you know, walk away from a certain part of the building, viewers and subscribers, and then the person return back to a certain part of the building and pointed the gun in a certain direction. I didn't even want to say certain things, but all me can say is that the person point the gun at a certain direction, and in my point of view it seems as if the person did more damage. I also saw more than one post on a Uganda police force social media page or account, and one of the posts that I saw have some words in it that goes like this: the police officer who shot and killed an Indian at RAJJA Chambers has been arrested. More words in it that goes like this: on 12 May 23 at around 1230 hours at RAJA Chambers along, and more words today as well to viewers and subscribers. I noticed that a part of the post right away of RAJA and another part of RAJJA. So I say, but I'm not going to read out the entire post. I make you know that I see more than one post on a Uganda police force social media page that gave me the understanding that Uganda police confirm certain things about the situation. Now, I try get information to determine if anyone else had been injured, but I realize most of the information just focused on a person who had been shot and killed, and the man who is said to be the police constable who had been taken into custody. Now, another news article said that the police constable went on what some people call a rampage and shot the moneylender after being told that he owed a certain amount of money that is more than 2 million in a them type of money where they call what, shillings or a shilling. I think you understand what I say. See? So I know some people are going to talk about the mental illness that had been mentioned, the viewers and subscribers. But one thing for sure is that there are questions about how that man end up with a gun. And I'm going to tell you the truth, my people, I get some unconfirmed information as to how he end up with a gun. I get unconfirmed information as to how him end up with a gun. As I said, my people, and the information I get might not be what you think. Now tell my people. Yeah. But anyways, now I know some people might not find this whole situation interesting because you're not from that area within the world. Yes, I say. But the video itself that shows certain things that happen is being talked about on social media. And from certain things being talked about on social media that really and truly caught my interest, me is the kind of person I go share it. And I go tell you what I think as well too sometimes. You see? Now my people, if you like the way I present the videos to you, and if you want to stay tuned to Dancehall Skilla, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell also so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.